As far as taqwa is concerned, just to give an example, taqwa is like if you are walking in a very narrow lane, which has got a lot of thorns. There are plants and creepers and trees with a lot of thorns. And you walk in that narrow lane, trying to prevent your clothes from getting stuck in the thorn and getting torn. So how well you do that, that is an action of taqwa. Linguistically, taqwa comes from the Arabic root word waqa, which means forbearance, which means fear, which means abstinence. Islamically, it means fear of Allah. Islamically, taqwa is the state of the heart of a human being and the consciousness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The consciousness of His presence and of His knowledge, which makes him do the righteous deeds. And it prevents him from doing things which are haram and makes him pious. That is the reason taqwa, if you translate one word, people translate as God consciousness or Allah's consciousness. It's translated as piety, it's translated as righteousness, in short.